Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing great and learning a lot from my tutorials. Today's video is going to be very exciting because I will show you how to create a YouTube tag and hashtag generator a single page tool website in WordPress using the Openrouter API. With Openrouter API, we can access multiple AI models at a very minimal cost. In this tutorial, we will also use the WordPress system to dynamically generate tags through a custom plugin, making the entire tool fully functional and automated. I will give you a quick introduction to the website features and explain how it works. Later, we will start building it step by step. Now let's understand the features. First of all, this tool is completely powered by AI, so the tag it generates are highly relevant and optimized. There's also no chances of getting a random or relevant tags. Second, this tool can generate both normal YouTube tags and YouTube short hashtags with hash. You can easily switch between them using tabs. We also have an option to choose the number of tags you want to generate, anywhere between 1 to 30 depending on your needs. Along with that, this plugin includes 18 different AI models that you can select from inside the system's single system, so you have the full flexibility to choose the model you prefer. To generate the best tags, you simply need to enter your video title and description, and the tool will automatically create optimized tags based on your content. And finally, the heart of this entire website is Openrouter API, which connects to multiple AI models and makes everything work smoothly behind the scenes. So these were some features of this tool website. Alright, now let me introduce the website. Okay, so let's move on to the actual website. So this is the website we are going to build in this tutorial. So I have designed everything completely on the WordPress using the elementor, okay, to design the sections. I wanted the UI to feel clean and modern, so I went with the dark green and added this green leaf accent to give it that techy look. And the one of the best things that this website is completely responsive, you can say here, along with it's SEO friendly. Okay, so I designed this header completely using elementor as well as this footer. Okay, so this website is completely operable on desktop as well as on mobile. Okay, and the main brain behind this website is that the Openrouter AI. Okay, so I utilize the Openrouter API, okay, to generate the tags dynamically, okay, which will filter out the tags, okay, which and give you the best tags to so you can easily use in your YouTube videos. Okay, and also you can rank your videos on top of your pages. Okay, now here in this tool I just given the two modes to select. One is the YouTube tags, the second one is the short tags. Okay, so according to the requirement you can generate a short tags and the YouTube tags from here. Okay, so here it's very simple. So if you when you put a video title inside this video field, okay, it will generate the tags, and you can also set the number of tags from just like 10 or 30. Okay, 30 is the max. Okay, now let me show you one example. So it's like how to make website in WordPress. Okay, I will generate the tag. So it's the tab of this YouTube tags are checked. Now I will set here 5. Okay, so I have just limited the number of requests per user to 10, and this all you can control from the admin. Okay, in a while. All right, So this tool gave us the list of tags, okay, which are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, okay. And you will see here it's exactly targeting our keywords, just like WordPress website tutorial, building website with WordPress, and so on, okay. And also it gives the tags separated like this. You can copy all and paste in your YouTube video description, okay. Now how you can control this, also it's and also the shortcut is also similar. When you click on, you will see here it will give a short text with the hash, okay, here like this. All right, you can copy all and just paste in your short video. Now just go to the admin, and inside this YouTube tag generator, okay, this is a custom plugin developed using the Openrouter API. All right, now first you need to go to API keys, okay, go to your Openrouter, and you can generate the free API keys, okay. Under this API keys, just click on create and just type the name like YouTube tag and create, okay. And you will have the API key, just copy that and paste in here, okay. Now the generation is based on the top AI models, okay. You can select from the admin. Here the AI model, under the AI model you will see here a list of AI models, okay. So I have listed some of the best top models like GPT, Cloud A, Gemini, okay, Llama and so on. So select any of the best as your according to your choice, okay. And also you can rate limit, just like you can just restrict the user to use or to generate the tags not more than 50, okay. You can set 10. If the user reaches this maximum limit, he cannot generate the tags anymore, okay. So choose this, set this option wisely, okay. I will set the 40. And also I think this is not working, okay, just ignore that. And you have the usage details about this plugin, okay. You have a lot of shortcuts to use, but the best is that you can only use this YouTube tag generator, okay. I have already designed this for this dark theme, okay. You can customize according to your website need. All right, so this is the single tool website which we are going to build using the WordPress and the custom plugin along with the Openrouter API, okay. So also add some sections like this: how to generate tags, frequently asked questions, and the footer elements like this, okay. And we will be just discussing all the things deeply, okay, and we'll develop and design everything from the scratch, okay, except the plugin. I will provide the plugin in my website along with this ready-made website, okay. So you can easily download from my official website, okay. So without wasting further delay, we'll start this tutorial ASAP. Alright, so now we are inside our WordPress dashboard. First of all, let's install a basic theme which we usually do, okay. So I will install the Astra theme, not Astra, Ocean WP, okay. You can pick and install any one basic theme from here. Just activate it, and next we have to install some plugins like Elementor, okay. Only the one plugin we need in this website, and another is Pro Elements. Alright, now we have activated both the plugins. Now the very first is to let's set up our pages, okay. So first of all, we will add a page which is home page. Give it a name as home page, and template will be Elementor full width, and publish it. Alright, Next, go to appearance, go to customize. We will set up our front homepage. Go to homepage settings. Your homepage displays to as a homepage. Okay, and we have to remove this top bar and this page title. So here is the top bar, just hide it, and under the header you will see this title. Okay, under general you can remove this border bottom, and here under the pages and styles tags, go to page layout, and here the page title, just uncheck this. Okay, now our home page is clean, so click on publish it. Alright, also you can set the color from here. We will set the side background to a color, so here background color I will use our custom one like this. Okay, now click on publish and close this. Now let's refresh or open the site, so it will look like this. Okay, now we will start designing our first, which is the header. Okay, we will use the elementor to design the header. Go to elementor, here under these templates, let's create the template which is header. Okay, from here go to theme builder, so click on this header, just close this window. Alright, now we have to set the background color to this, the same color of this body. So go to settings, styles, and here I will set our custom color. Okay, now it's perfect. After that, add a container, again add one more container. I will set its width to 1400 max. Okay, or 1300. Okay, now so our website has one is logo, second menu, and third is this button. Okay, which is dummy button. So first of all we need to create a menu. Okay, just like this. So I will publish it, condition to enter website, and go back. Okay, now under this appearance, go to menu. I will create a menu which is main menu. Click on create a menu. Now what the names are, features, how it works, and FAQ. Okay, which are directly connected to the sections using enter tags. Okay, so the first one is features. Okay, so I will give it an anchor tag as features. Okay, hash features. Then we have how it works and FAQ. Final is FAQ. Now click on save menu and refresh this page. Now click on it, and we will now continue to creating our header. Alright, now we'll create the three columns. So first make this continue to row horizontal and create three columns, one for the logo, second for the menu, and third for the button. So let's add the logo in this first column. Search for the logo. Currently it will not show the logo here. Okay, so I will just change the side logo. You can first change from here, customize. Okay, so I will change from here. Click on save changes and go back. Okay, now we got our logo. Let's reduce the size of this logo. I will pick this the px, make it 250 or 200. Okay, shift this to left. In this mid column we have menu. Here WordPress menu, select the main menu, okay, which is actually selected. So we will just align these items to vertically center. So here, now, okay, now let's redesign this menu. So okay, first make it text, not draw, make it none. Okay, currently it's changing the color of hover to the accent color of this default color, so I will change it to hover 1. Okay, here hover, so okay, and this is the hover color. Active color will be the same. Even I will just save this color as a brand color. Create. Okay, change the color of this item to like this. Alright, now it's perfect. And the last column we have to create this type of button. Search for button. Here I will simply open this pre-designed header template in the Elementor so that we can pick the colors from here. Okay, so here the name is free tool. Border is 200 and shift this to right. Okay, now the color is, let's change the color. Okay, first the text color is this, border type solid, and radius is 1. Okay, oh. Here change the text color to this, border type to solid, border width 1, and color the same. Okay, now we have to change the background color. So what the background color? So this, we'll copy this and paste here. Okay, now it's perfect. We'll reduce the size of this icon, sorry, logo. Okay, that's it. Click on publish. Set this menu to center. Okay, now we have to make this menu responsive, so switch to tablet. Now showing the hamburger icon. Okay, which is we don't need this hamburger icon, so there are so much spaces here so that we can show our menu items, okay, instead of this hamburger. So I will simply do this here, click here to none. Okay, and I will reduce the width of this column, and also here. Alright, now this menu is perfectly expanded and showing perfectly in this container. Okay, let's reduce this as well. This is 57, it should be 57 as well. Okay, that's it. Now switch to mobile view, and in the mobile view we have to show the hamburger icon. Okay, and this will be hide in the mobile. Okay, so here select this column first, and under the responsive hide on mobile device. Okay, now this is the logo, and we have to show this hamburger icon in line with this logo. Okay, so to do that, just here we had set the background to none. Okay, now I'll just set the breakpoint to tablet portrait or mobile portrait. Okay, and here click on full width. Okay, now reduce the width of this first column. Okay, to make the space for this hamburger icon. Now here let's reduce the column B so that it will automatically shift to the upper side. Shift this to the right. Alright, I will just move this logo to the left hand side a little bit, and this logo as well on the right side. Okay, that's great. Okay, I will change the color of this menu hamburger icon to the brand color, which is toggle button color. Okay, so after clicking it will drop down this menu. Okay, and drop down will open, and we have to set the color behind this of this drop down container. Okay, so after clicking on this menu, a drop down will open. Okay, where we have to design this drop down properly. Close this, and you will see here the drop down color. So first of all, select this and go to drop down. Okay, now we have to set the background color, so I will use the background color. Either you can use the same color as the background, or you can use the dark one. Okay, and make sure the color of this drop down and the color of this background must be different, so that it will be easier to get the exact drop down, to differentiate the drop down. Okay, so here text color will be our main brown color. Okay, you can, and here background color I will simply decrease the opacity like this. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, now we just uh, design our header for this desktop, for tablet and for mobile as well. Okay, now click on publish and let's take the preview. Okay, now click on inspect and you will see here our menu is ready. So it's not showing perfectly in the mobile because of the some cache issues. Okay, so I will open this in private window. It takes some time to change. Okay, so till it gets changed, we will work on the next part. Okay, and there is a one line just below this. Okay, this you can see here the line which is drawn just below this header. So select this container and here under the border just give border border type, okay, which is solid, and we have to set the bottom only and give it the main color. I will just decrease this opacity. Like this. Okay, click on publish. Now check. Alright, so you can see here the line just below this border. Okay, just below this header. So you can see here our header is ready. So for the header we need some menu first, which is quick links. We already created this menu. The second is resources and some legal pages. Okay, and we have the logo just below, some about and some social icons and this copyright text. Okay, so let's design this quickly. So let's create first menus. Second menu is resource. Okay, resources menu. Alright, so create the new menu first. Resources menu, and what items will come under this menu? First is blog and yes, YouTube SEO guides. You can either create the pages or just give the custom names. So I will create the custom names first. Blog, next is YouTube SEO guide. Okay, click on save. Now next let's create the second menu, which is legal pages. Under legal pages we have this disclaimer, privacy policy and terms and service. Terms and service. Okay, instead of these links you can directly create the pages. Okay, click on save menu. So now go to Elementor. Under this theme builder click on footer and add a new footer. So same, add a container. I will increase size to 1300. Give the padding to 50. Okay, similarly create the 4 columns first. Make this container to horizontal. 1 2 3 and 4. In the first column we have logo. I will copy this logo as it is. Some text. I will copy text from here. Shift this to the left hand side so it will align with this text. Okay, just below we have some social icons like this. Shift to these icons to left. Let's design this. So 16 is perfect. Okay, give some space in between. I will use custom color. Primary color would be our main color, or just remove this primary color. Okay, secondary color would be our this color. Okay, okay, perfect. Now we have to set the next column, which is quick links. Right here, quick links. And under it we have to show the quick link items. So I will just copy the menu from here, so we don't need to create this again and again. Okay, paste here. The layout is in horizontal, so make it to vertical on left side. Okay, change the menu item to quick links, which is main menu. Okay, I will shift this to left like this. Okay, again we have to add the second item, second window, which is resources. The next is legal pages. Alright, now let's adjust the width of these columns. So this is, let's make it 50. This as well. Okay. Now save this, to add condition to enter site, and add the line on the top and the bottom as well. Select this main container first, make it solid to border with 1 px, and this. Copy this. Similarly, okay. Make it 0. We have to just add the border width on top. Okay, just like this. Now let's create the copyright section. Add container here. Copy this text. I will select here a text editor and paste. Select this container, go to style, border width to solid, and uncheck this, and this time also add to 1. Alright, so our footer is also ready. Now let's make it responsive. It's good for inside the, you can reduce the padding here, make it 20, and for mobile you can see the menus are now collapsed. Okay, so we don't need this, just make sure it's none, also none, and here none. So we have made all the breakpoints to none. Okay, so this footer is also responsive in the mobile. This is perfect, and this is also okay. Click on publish, and let's take the preview. So our header and footer is now ready. Now we will move to design our main section. This is, which is the body. Okay, and later we will install our main plugin, okay, of this website, which is YouTube tag generator. Alright, so in the previously we just finished our header and footer work. Now we'll move to the next part, and we'll complete this main website content. Okay, so let's do that. So first of all, just visit the pages, and this is the page. Edit with Elementor, and also set the current home page as a home page from this customize settings, under appearance, under home page, and this is the home page. Okay, it's been already set. Now here, so first of all, let's add this type of header. Add container, it will be 1400. 1300. Okay, again add the container, padding to 30. Add text. I will make this text to center, H1, and go to style. Here I will use REM, maybe 5, and here is the content. Let's change the color of this text. Under this typography setting, I will make this a bold text. Alright, and just below write this text. You can either break the text inside this content, okay, using br tag inside it, but right now I am just creating the separate text and will add here, sorry, this one, okay, in seconds. I will change the text color, so here I will use the brand color. Let's remove decrease the margin from top. Okay, that's it. Next, let's add this text. Select the text widget. I will center alignment, make this text center alignment, copy text and paste here. Now let's change the text color to something white. Alright, so next we have to create this type of cards. Okay, so for that I will use here grid. Column will be 4 and this row will be 1. Okay, now in this first column add container, say give a padding to like 20. Alright, now let's add the border and the background. So here I will copy the color from here. So this is the background color. I will give the border radius to 15. Okay, and also the border color. Okay, border will be 1px solid. Okay, now let's add this widget, which is the icon box. Shift this to the, no, it's on the top actually. Okay, we have this text and second text, so I will remove this icon. So first is 10K plus, and the subtext is, let's adjust its design. I will replace the content space into like this, content, text color, and here this is the title. So I will increase the size of this text to 3 or okay, 3. Also the color. Alright, let's add the padding more, like 30. Now I will simply duplicate this 4 times. Okay, now let's add the next content, which is 500 plus. And the last is 1520 per request. Okay, make it publish and let's check out the preview. Alright, we just created this section. The next we have to add this YouTube tag generator tool. Okay, so it's very simple. We need to only add a shortcut. Okay, first I will just duplicate it, remove these sections, these elements. Alright, now search for the shortcode, because we are going to use the shortcut of this plugin. Okay, so what is the shortcode? Shortcut is YouTube dash tag dash generator. Okay, so now showing this shortcut as it is. Okay, and no change because we have installed the plugin. So I am going to publish this and let's install the plugin. Click on upload, click on install. Okay, click on activate. Okay, so I just published these changes. Now let's reload this page. So here is our tool. Okay, now let's design the other things. I will copy this text, first reload this page, copy the section, duplicate this section and remove this, and here I will just copy it and paste here. Copy this text, paste here, and here I will just reduce the size, and next copy and paste. Okay, copy the content and paste here. That's it. Next let's create this type of grid. Okay, so here I just imported the content from the previous website. Okay, let's adjust this color and everything. Change the color. This is the title. Hover will be same. Let's copy and paste style. Okay, That's it. The next section is this, how to generate tags. So similarly, what I will do here, so here create another section, and here just upload and select. Click on the insert. Okay, so here I will also make just remove this from this previous section. I will drag this side up above the container. Okay, just make it the justify content aligned at the center, and like this. Okay, similarly change the color here, title color, similarly hover color same. Okay, now copy, paste the style. Okay, now we just left with the another section which is FAQ. So let's import this template. So select this third file, alright. So I will duplicate this section, remove this, and this as well, and just drag and drop this inside the above container and this FAQ. Okay, so we need to change the hover color of this FAQ title. So go to style, header, and here is the title. Okay, so this is hover color, change to global. Okay, now it's perfect. So we just added all the sections here. Alright, click on publish. So our YouTube tag generator tool single page website is ready. Okay, so you can add the pages over here, and the main part of this website is that this YouTube tag generator, where just add the title of any video, like create a YouTube channel. Alright, so before this setting, just go to your dashboard and you will see here an option of the plugin. Okay, this is YouTube tag generator. Here you will see a blank Openrouter API key. Just I had already explained the things. Just go to the Openrouter AI. Okay, get API key you can create from here. Okay, give it a name, anything, and just create. So just copy that key and paste here and select your favorite model. Okay, that's it. And also you can limit your users request, okay, per according to their IP. Alright, and you will have some shortcuts over here to use the plugin. So guys, I hope you understand this tutorial. Okay, it was very a simple and useful tool website tutorial for the WordPress, and I hope you loved it. Okay, so you can download this website from the official website, that is Webcrowd. Go to webcrowd.co.in, and here you will see this website. Okay, just click on it and you can download from here. Okay, that's it. So this was the tutorial. Alright, so I hope you understand the working of this website and the importance. So in the similar way, I will bring the more interesting tutorial in the upcoming video. So for now, goodbye, take care.